Hello guys, welcome back to another new lecture. In this lecture I am going to set up this startup file. Okay, then I'm going to using this h1 tag hello fancy lab, then I'll refresh in my browser. Okay, so that is our index.html is working now. So in the here I'm going to delete this. After that I just change this title name fancy lab. So after that in the here I'm going to using this title tag, like that means it will be div class div, then id. I'll give this div id equal page and base. After that in the here I'll just give this class name sit site, header. Inside of this header I'm going to give this section section. Now I'm working with the section dot, this is the class name. So inside of this here I'm working now section top bar, so section then top bar. After that I'm going to working about class name div class brand logo. I have need this brand logo div dot logo. In the here I'll just define this div dot brand logo. This is the class name, it will be brand logo. After that okay, I'll just delete this and define this div dot brand logo. Div second column div second column. After that inside of this here div dot account account. After that so after the section inside of this here I'm working now content area, then div dot content area. after that main section, main section, slider after that, so guys, this is the here. I'm going to just inside of this here, just I'm going to so I'm going to define creating this another section. That means that will be popular products. So after that, new arrivals section, new product section, that new arrivals BLS bills, that means new arrivals. Popular product section, then deal of the week, week section, then after that log, that will be news. So inside of this here it will be just a slider. Okay guys, so hopefully you will better understand in the main section. So after that header section, after the div main, okay, inside of this here just I am going to using this footer section area. So in the here section, then dot footer widgets, which will be footer widgets. So now creating this footer copyright issue, so it will be section dot copyright So I'll just refresh in my browser, then you will show that this is our output. Okay guys, so hopefully you'll better understand in this design. So I don't use this any template, I'll just using this from scratching the like that start the sketching design, and then we are building this we will develop this theme. Okay, theme by Wordpress, theme development by the PHP programming languages. In this here just I'll copy this, I'll just cut it, and in the here I'm creating this another file. It will be header.php. So I'll just paste it. After that in the here just I'll connection this PHP. After that get header, after that get footer, and come back in the browser and refresh this, then it will be correct or not. Okay, it's working now correctly. I hope you will better understand in this example, and hopefully you will show that here is the our header section and header section. Okay, inside of the footer file, then you will show that finish this header section in the here. Okay guys, so hopefully you will better understand in this header section. So come back to the header file, and in the here you just using this PSP and using this title. Okay, and you will show that here is the fancy lab hello world. Why? Because you will come back in your settings, general settings, site name is the fancy lab, so you have to go to Google and simply type here of header and footer inside of this wordpress.org. Okay, I'll just bake this and refresh this of beginner, how to add header and footer, go to easy, so inside of this here like that WAP header theme, so in this here you will get idea about developer.wordpress.org. it's very helpful and resources in the here. So come back this here, after that in the here this is the HTML language, and you will just using this here for dynamically. If anyone not supported this or any languages in the here, just you can use it easily. So guys, in the here just I will use the language attribute for the language, any language supported in this here, so you can using this Russian or another languages, so you can use it easily. The here PSP, after that language attributes, here this is the meta chart set, so you have to use this PSP, then after that blog info, inside of this here you can use it meta chart set, says here ACT set. Okay, So guys, this is the very important. So after that, this is the for using the responsive issue, so that is the very important. So in the here I'll just delete this title penciler. I'll do it actually after a couple of few minutes later. Inside of this I will come back in the here and I'll just delete, I'll just copy this after header. Just copy this and paste it here. So this is our template actually. So in the here I'll just delete this unnecessary file, but don't need to this delete it, this file. Okay, after that here in the here why you use it the GMPG, that means it will be micro responsiveness. So this is our header section, so you have to come back in the footer section area, then in the same way you will just do it, copy this and paste it here. Footer for our theme. So that this is the very easy way. Firstly you have to come index.html index.php file, then you'll just cut this step by step header footer, then you will edit this is the instruction of this your header file, and this is the template using this template section. Okay, so hopefully everything is okay, and just I'll run this project local, then fancy-lab.web.admin. So guys, I'll just visit my so everything is okay. So guys, I have to come, I'll come back in the project folder, then create this new file function.php, create this another folder, another file, so function.php. after that in the here I'll give this style of enqueue HTML and CSS after JavaScript. Okay, so firstly you have to go to Google, then simply type here WAP enqueue style script or JS. so firstly check this style, so you have to go to developer.wordpress.org. so this is the very important for every single of theme developer. After that you will come back in the using hooks, so that is the function, and after that enqueue this style is, so I don't need to this, I will come back in the like that. If you like using this WAP enqueue script, then you can using this CDN Cloudflare. so this is the actually online CDN, so this is a very important. I'll just copy this section, edit this style file in queue. I'll just copy this function. Okay guys, so hopefully you will better understand this example. Come back and paste it here. So after that I'll just delete this. Okay, so firstly I'll just fnctn function dot php, then come back and copy this and paste it here. In the here I'm going to creating this function like that, function fancy lab lab. After that, using these scripts, and here just I'll create this fancy lab, then style css. Okay, or you have to define this you'll just define this style sheet. After that, inside of this here I'm going to define this open queue style, then fancy left style. Okay, then get template. So in the here get style sheet URI. After that, in the here I'm going to using this array function of array. This is the very important. When you just define this your version, then it will be needed for you. Okay, after that, array file name. So in the here get template directory URI style sheet dot css. Inside of this here you can define this using this comma, then you just use this all. Okay, and style sheet, this is the here. Okay, I'll just delete this from here. Oh, error has gone. Okay guys, so hopefully you'll better understand in this example. So after that, here I'll just support this added this function add action, that is the you will define this your wap include script. It will be of include script this the function, then fancy left style css. Okay, so everything is okay. So guys, I'll just check this in the here. Inside of this content area, and I'll just give this padding 0, then color. Okay, then refresh your browser. Nothing to change here. After this header, then class site name or ID, I'll just give this ID. Just a few minutes ago, I define this web.footer inside of this footer.php, and this is the header.php. So in the here you will show that this is the here like that logo and account and menu. I'll just put this three file in the here. Then if you want, you can just define this another way. So this is the that will be actually dynamic, so no need to this here, just it will be design it this here. Okay guys, so hopefully I'll just copy this top bar, and after that container, then brand logo. I'll just copy this brand and come back the browser and paste it here. Background will be yellow. Okay, then come back again and simply using this main menu, background will be green. Okay, so and refresh in browser, that is the previous lecture, then refresh this browser, then you will show that there is the logo, this is the area, brand area logo. After that this is the green, that means that that will be the main main menu. Okay guys, that will be main menu. So I hope you'll better understand in this example. So now I'll just change this in my git like that. This is the git section. Yeah, this is my git. Okay, simply type here git, then slash mashmia 1234 and come back repository. Then you'll saw that fancy lab, there is the 3 file. Okay, I'll just branch this one name and it will be like that master version. So I'll just control this GitHub. Okay, change this name, name changes. Okay, and commit this file changes. Refresh it. So guys, you will show that in the here this is the init and committed file. After that you will change this file and push it here. When pushing finish in the here browser this, then it will be automatic uploaded on your live server like that on your GitHub. So that is the very helpful for you, and you will find it easily this GitHub repository. So this is the very helpful for you. So I hope and I believe that, and you'll, if you like my video, then you'll obviously start this, and after that for this repository. So that is the very helpful resource for you. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, see you soon in the next lecture.